How to log in to Disney Plus account. To log into Disney Plus, first of all, you have to access Disney Plus through the app on your mobile device or the streaming device or by visiting the Disney Plus website in your web browser. After, if you're using the website, you have to look for the login option usually located on the upper right corner. If you're using the app, you'll find the login button on the main screen. You have to input your email address and the password associated with your Disney Plus account and make sure to enter them correctly. After entering your credential, you have to click on the login or the sign in button to proceed. If you have multiple profiles associated with your Disney Plus profile account, you may be prompted to select the profile you want to use. You have to choose the appropriate profile if necessary. Once logged in, you should be directed to the Disney Plus homepage on your profile page where you can browse and stream Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, National Geographic, and other content available on this very platform. If you are having trouble logging in, you can try resetting your password or contacting the Disney Plus customer associate for the assistance. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.